Welcome to the MecSoft User Spotlight series, where you can find real users using MecSoft products. In this video, we'll be spotlighting Advanced Robotic Technology, ART, in their use of RhinoCam software. Advanced Robotic Technology is located a few minutes east of Brisbane in Queensland, Australia. It is a family-owned and operated company that prides itself in the design and manufacture of state-of-the-art CNC routers, plasma cutters, laser cutters, and milling machines. Greg White of ART sat down with us recently to discuss their use of MecSoft CAM software there at ART. The project in question is the manufacture of prototype components for their newest 10-axis CNC plasma cutter design for the industrial fabrication industry. Here is what Greg White had to say about RhinoCam.
I think being so visual in the way that it presents the job, that's where I've found it particularly easy to pick up myself. To be able to make organic shapes as well with all the surface modeling, and then through into RhinoCam, just being able to visually see, your stock material, set your job up, your world coordinates, and the ease of use. It really is a step-by-step, almost walks you through it.
Thanks, Greg. Interestingly, ART uses their own routers in their facility to manufacture these prototype and production components used in their new multi-axis plasma cutter designs. The design and engineering department at ART models their designs in SolidWorks and Rhinoceros, then relies on VisualCam and RhinoCam from MecSoft Corporation to develop the CAM strategies and toolpaths they need for manufacturing. VisualCam can run as a standalone CAD system called Visual CAD-CAM, as well as an integrated plugin for SolidWorks called VisualCam for SolidWorks. RhinoCam is an integrated plugin that runs inside of Rhinoceros. Any prototype part, and in many cases production parts, in ART's production designs that require a 3D surface are machined using one of MecSoft's integrated CAM solutions. The following RhinoCam example shows components needed for the robotic arm assembly of ART's newest 10-axis CNC plasma cutter. A similar beamline arm is shown here. The CNC machine measures 32 by 4 by 4 meters, is designed for processing industrial I-beams and other extrusions up to 1.2 meters square, and can automatically feed 32 meters of material and beyond. The 3D model geometry is designed in SolidWorks and loaded into Rhino. The Associative CNC machining strategies, the toolpaths, are designed using the RhinoCam plugin from MecSoft Corporation and are saved with the Rhino part file. Any revisions to the geometry in Rhino are automatically incorporated into the toolpath strategies. This screen image illustrates the typical anatomy of a RhinoCam part as designed by Greg White and the engineering staff at ART. 3D surface and/or solid part geometry, the machine setup, material, and stock definition, the cutting tool library and machining knowledge base files, the machining job tree, hole machining strategies, 2 1/2 axis blind and through pocketing strategies, 2 1/2 axis engraving strategies, 2D containment curves for 3-axis machining strategies, 3-axis Z-level roughing and finishing strategies. In this image, the machining job tree is shown in the RhinoCam browser on the left, with multiple CNC toolpath operations programmed. A 3-axis horizontal finishing operation is selected, and the cutting tool and toolpaths are displayed on the part surface. The Toolpath Editor displays a list of the cut motions required for the operation. In this image, we see the RhinoCam cut material simulation and in-process stock after setup 1 bottom and all of its toolpaths are completed. Now the fun part. Sit back and enjoy the cut material simulation of this two-sided machining job in RhinoCam from Advanced Robotic Technology. Here are more components machined with RhinoCam toolpaths and advanced robotic technology. Advanced robotic technology, ART, came from a humble beginnings to become an international supplier of quality state-of-the-art CNC router and plasma profiling machines. Now employing over 40 personnel, ART is developing machines with up-to-the-minute cutting technology locally and internationally. Today, ART is a world leader in CNC technology. Their CNC machines have enabled manufacturers to make drastic increases in productivity. Manufacturers ranging from shipbuilders and boat builders, cabinet makers, sheet metal workers, steel fabrication workers, plastics engineering, and others have benefited from ART's CNC router and plasma cutters. We're proud that our RhinoCam software has played a role in advanced robotic technology's success. We would like to thank Greg White and Advanced Robotic Technology for allowing us to showcase their work. RhinoCam is available in 5 configurations: Express, Standard, Expert, Professional, and Premium. The parts shown here can be programmed using the Professional configuration. With a complete features list, we invite you to visit the RhinoCam product page. To learn more about MecSoft Corporation, we invite you to visit us online at MecSoft.com. This video was brought to you by MecSoft Corporation, your CAM partner.